Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 F350 pickup truck. Customer came in and was talking about, when they initially start the vehicle, air conditioning seems to work pretty good for like 3 or 4 minutes, and then as they continue to drive it, the air conditioning kind of fades away. The air volume kind of drops down through the vents, and they're not getting any cold air. We did a little bit of research, did some initial diagnostic work to make sure like the blend doors were working correctly in the airbox, and the mode doors, as far as where the air comes out of the dash, were working correctly. We asked them a little bit about what they use the truck for, and it's kind of in a really dirty, dusty environment. And based on some experience with some other vehicles that have lived in that environment and having some of the similar issues, we said we really need to take the heater box out of the truck and split it open and take a good hard look at the heater core and the air conditioning evaporator. As you can see here from these pictures, the air conditioning evaporator was completely plugged solid with debris. It's not uncommon for some of these early vehicles that didn't have cabin air filters to end up with this type of issue. Preventing airflow through the air conditioning condenser, blocking it basically is what happens. So not only are you not getting any cold air, you're not getting any airflow either. We went ahead and replaced the AC condenser, put everything back together, got the vehicle back together, recharged the air conditioning system, and lo and behold, now the air conditioning works perfectly. So if you have a vehicle that's struggling with air conditioning, whether it be the actual temperature of the air out of the vents or the amount of air coming out of the vents, that's something that we're very skilled at diagnosing and getting you back up and running. One important thing, as fall's coming on, it's good to make sure that your air conditioning is working. That's what helps the defrost system work in your vehicle, and it makes it much more efficient for keeping your windows defrosted in those colder days. If you're having an issue like that, you're not quite sure what to do, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.